Do you wake up with a stiff neck struggling to turn your head? You're not alone. Neck stiffness is a common problem that often comes from everyday habits. But the good news is, small changes can make a big difference in how you feel. One major cause is poor sleeping posture. Using a pillow that's too high or too low can misalign your spine overnight. Another culprit is spending long hours looking down at your phone or working at a desk. This forward head posture puts extra tension on your neck muscles, leading to discomfort and stiffness. To ease neck stiffness, start by adjusting your pillow height to keep your neck neutral while you sleep. During the day, take breaks to stretch gently. Try slow neck rotations and shoulder relaxations. Improving your posture, both in bed and at work, helps reduce daily tension and supports better neck health. These simple habits can bring noticeable relief over time. If this helped, please subscribe, like the video, and visit the link in the description for more tips on neck support and comfort.